All right, so today a lot of people ask me about the hip releasing. A lot of people get that stiff hips. Also, it's good for the lower back. We can show you a couple of decompression for your lower back. David is going to be my model. So all you need to do, let's talk about this band. This band is good for David. For me, it's probably going to be a little bit more heavy. Depends on how heavy you are. This is like 50 pounds. If you're like 200 and more, use like a this one 25, sorry. Use like a 50, 75. If you're too big, you can use that 100, which is super wide, and it's really good because this thing is gonna really pull you up. Try that up. Like for me, 100 is, I can't even lay down. It's just hold me in the air, which is good. So the idea is start moving that bone, that femoral bone inside that socket, and those muscles surrounding, they're very strong, and this is what we do. So we're gonna go in quadrupedal position. So I am gonna get this band.
Head this way?
Yeah, head gonna be this way. Don't worry, you just stay up here. So let me introduce that level of the band. Level, it's probably gonna be maybe like 10 inches up from the floor, because you're gonna be in this quadrupedal position. This is the first one and very good one. So how you're gonna attach that to the doorknob, to the tree, whatever, just make sure it's supported and it's not going to be ripped off, because you're going to put the whole weight on it. Not the whole, but yeah, half of it. So let's say it's right in here. All the band is coming inside and it's going to go inside, and you tie it up. This is how you do. Check the band, and all you need to do for David, go ahead and step inside, both hands, legs, sorry.
Both legs?
Yes, both legs, and we're going to turn this way. Okay? So what we're looking for, we're gonna get this on his hip. So pull it up. It's right on that hip bone, on that ilium. And all I just want you to go down on that quadrupedal. So kind of lean forward and exactly. So you see, this is start distracting him. It's pulling him. I'm also can stand up here. Another way to release that, make sure the back is straight. There we go. No. You see, he's trying to back up.
Oh.
So exactly. You pull more. As you can see it. And yes, you can shift it like back and forth. You can help him a little bit in the beginning, make sure his back is not rounded. You see I'm holding it up here. If you by yourself, it's fine. Also, you can get that fit ball and put between that wall, and also try to squeeze that ball inside. It's also great for the activation of your hip flexors. So how's that feel?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, of course it's good. Next one, so that one you do like for 1 minute. Next one, you're gonna back up a little bit. Back up, this is how you back up. You're gonna get this one leg out. So the one leg stay inside, one leg is out.
Like this?
The one out of the band. I'll just leave one. Leave that side, so step aside with it. Yeah, exactly. So one side, you can do, we'll just show you one side, but you do both. Exactly, so you see he's already, you have to turn around. So he have to turn around this way to face towards me. So the band is going to be in the back. Exactly. So we distracted to the different way. Remember, we distracted from the front to back. Now we distracted from.
This is good.
Exactly. There we go. Look at that.
Wow.
We actually have to do the opposite side, but that's fine because I forgot we have to turn. But look, this band, and try to get a little bit more. I can help him. Yeah, more. So that's pulling now from the back to the front. Exactly. And you can kind of like a little bit lift it forward. Yeah. You love that, doing that. You feel this open up, so it's you feel that pulling sensation right in here.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the great one.
Wow.
Now I'm going to show you so you switch side. You can do both actually too. You can standing on this one. Yes, switch. Let's see how you feel. Always do both. You see here, he put all the way up to that, as much as possible to that bone, ending of the bone. And perfect, right there. And it's also balancing. No, you did right.
Okay.
Yeah. You see that band?
Yeah, that's good.
Exactly. So
this hip needs it.
Exactly. So start pulling that bone. And he try to fight that too now. He's activate those glutes. Yeah, you see, he's like, oh yeah, god damn it. Exactly. This is how it's supposed to be. And it's a lot of variation. You can lay down on the side. You can do it from the side. Let me show you from the side. Go ahead, just lay down this way. The head is gonna come this way. Yeah. Just
Like
lay
this?
down and turn this way.
Okay. Face you.
Yeah, no, face this direction. So turn, no, hold it band.
Oh.
Turn this like this.
Okay.
There we go. So yeah, turn around, turn this way. So your head is looking that way.
Yeah, this way, like that.
No, you turn the whole body this way, but that's fine.
My whole body.
Yeah, it's the first time. You see, it's the first time. Yeah, get
My
the
whole
band
body.
inside. Yeah, that's
Okay.
good. You want to do this side? Perfect. So
Okay.
get your leg inside.
Okay.
And then get around this hip. So now go move exactly. Now lay down. Lay down.
Whoa.
Lay down. I know. He's gonna say wow. You see? Now get this knee up.
Oh my.
Just like that. Hold it.
Okay.
This one is down.
Oh, this is good.
Exactly. So this is, yeah, he can try to help, but the idea is, you see how he's in the air, how the bed is trying to fight him? So you see, yeah, it's
You
fine.
have to throw me.
Exactly. So
Yeah,
yeah.
because it makes it work.
Exactly. So it's pulling you back and it's reactivate all those muscles. It's moving that bone inside that socket. This is what you want. Keep that bone be in balance inside that socket. If the bone is linked to one side, it's gonna, when you walk, it's gonna create that problem. You're gonna kind of, not to shred it, yeah, like a, how can I get, scratch the top, because we got this polishing things on the top. It's synovial fluid, and yeah, if it's not in balance, it's gonna be the
I
problem.
want to do this one.
Okay,
I'll
yeah.
do this one.
You see, you love
Just
it.
go
Yeah.
over here, huh?
Go around, perfect. You see, you all can understand. So how easy is that? Lay down, Get move a little bit away and lay down. Lay down, Lay down in the back.
Oh my God, this will be hard.
Start turning you, yeah. So you can keep with your arm first.
Okay.
Release that leg. Don't. There we go. You see, he's trying to adjust himself.
It's
And that's
hard.
fine. Yeah, this bend is good for him. You see? Yay.
It's good because it really makes
Exactly.
you work.
Look, I did this morning and my hip is open. I don't feel that stiff. I can go up and down. I can jump. I can do everything. And this is what the key about. Now I'm showing you the very good one. Now you're going to stand up completely. This is decompress over your spine too. So in this one, you're going to step both inside, face this direction. So go step inside. And go all the way up to your lower upper body, like right in this area, on that sacrum. Here we go. Now, exactly. So only the thing is right here, this is the safety. I always grab something with myself, like a foam roller. I'm just holding right here, because if this band is going to snap, it's going to snap him right in his belly or on his testicle, which is for the man is not going to be pleasant. So I always keep this kind of things in front of me. So I want you to spread your legs now. And go squat. So sit squat.
Oh my God.
Don't worry.
With the arms here.
Whatever. No, our arms is actually holding this one.
Oh.
Here we go. Just squat down. All the way down. Don't be afraid. There we go. So now, his leg is coming. He's going to sit down. Go ahead, sit down. Don't be
I
scary.
can't.
You can. Get your knee in, get your foot inside. Yeah, like leaning. Here we go. Just drop your butt. Yes, lay down. So he's laying down right now. Here we go. There we go. Get your foot together in front of this one, like this. So like this, like a butterfly. Exactly. And now lay down.
Oh.
You will. Trust me, you will. Look at us. That's it. So what happened here?
Feels good.
Exactly. So you see the band is pulling that butt out, that they grab that hip bones, ilium, and it's pulling it down. Even it's gonna balance in your the ilium, because one ilium could be like rotated. It's also decompress that lower back. Yeah. So that foam roller just for safety. You can not have it, but look at this. If this is band gonna snap him, it's gonna snap him right in that area. So safety first. If you put the foam roller or some ball, basketball ball, whatever, it's going to protect you, right? So think about protection first. How's it feel? You can spread your knee more. Look at this, open this more. And it's decompressing, so it's pulling. If you have a partner, if you have a therapist, I will probably grab that neck or chest and even pull more. Get that fascia moving. And you're just breathing up here for the minute. How to get up? Very easy. You can, let me show you. Exactly. Move forward and get this knee out. Get this knee out. There we go. One and a second one. And now you completely get up. So this was the sitting and like a half kneeling. Also, you can
Oh,
do
I feel
standing.
good.
You can do standing. We already show you that one. We're gonna split that video for sitting one and standing one. Next time we'll show you the standing, that hip decompression and spine decompression, which is great. So use that, and we'll see you in our classes. Зарядка class 7:30. Bye bye. How you feel?
I feel great.
Excellent. That's all about.